So hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss a problem of bootstrap contest, that is make permutation. So let's see the problem here. So in the problem, we have given an array of size n, and we want to make a permutation using this array. Now, what is a permutation? Basically any array that contains number from 1 to n, and all the numbers should be distinct. Okay, basically 1 to n, all the numbers should be present in that array and should not be repeated. Basically, since in this case it is repeated, it's not a permutation. And 4213, it is a valid combination. Now let's see what the problem is saying further. So find whether there exists an array B consisting of n non-negative integers such that, so what is such that Ci is a permutation. So means what the problem is saying is, if I add any array B into A, and then going to get what C. Okay. Now I just found what is the array B that makes the array C permutation. To make it more clear, let's take some examples. Let's say the example is 41321. 41321. So this is first of all A, right? I need to find an array B. Okay. I need to find B such that what C is a permutation. So my task is to find the array B such that C is a permutation. Let's see how I can find this. First of all, the number of elements in A is 5, right? So the max value, what is a valid permutation? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a like a one permutation of size 5, right? Means 1 to 5, all the elements should be present in 5. Okay. Now the max, let's find the max element in A, that is 4, right? Now, and the max element in any permutation of size 5 is 5. So if I do add 1 into, uh, if I do add 1 here, then I'm going to get the 5 simple. Okay. Now, the second max is 4. So if I found, and here the second max is 3. So if I do add 1 here as well, then I'm going to get 4. Okay. Now I want to make 3. Let's see how I can make 3. If I do add 1 here, then I can simply make it 3, right? Now the next is 2. Let's see how I can make 2. If I add 1 here, then it will become 2. And let's say I don't want to add anything, so it will become like 1 2 5 4 3 1 permutation. So it is a permutation, right? Okay. Let's see one more test case. So since I can like make up, since I can find an array B such that the C is a permutation, so in that case I need to return yes. If I wasn't able to do that, then I'm going to return no symbol. So let's see one more example, that is 2 4 3 4 2 here. Let's see the example 2 4 3 4 2. So this is the example. It is A. I need to find B such that C is a permutation. C is a permutation. Now, permutation of like what will the elements in the C, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements that can be presented. So first of all, I will try to make 5 somehow. Okay. So I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to choose the max element in A. Why max? If suppose I have like selected the minimum element, and somehow like there like in further cases that I was like not able to make the smallest element due to this. So that's why I'm selecting the maximum element, and like uh, finding the max permutation till now. So what I'm trying to like do. So yeah, since here is a 5, I wanna make 5. How can I make 5 easily? First of all, if simple I do add 1 there, then it will become 5. Now I want to make 4. How can I make 4? Simply add a 0 and it will become 4. How can I make 3? Now 4 is done. How can I make 3? Simply add a 0 and it will automatically become 3. How can I make 2? Simply 0 and it will automatically become 2. Okay. Now how can I make 1? It is not possible. Why? Because it is 2 and I cannot add minus 1 into it because I want to find what? Non-negative integers. Non-negative integers, so I cannot do this. So since I'm adding like -1, so in that case it is not possible to find a valid permutation. So in that case I'm going to return no. So what like how I'm going to code this? First of all, see, whatever is a is like 2 4 3 4 2, 2 4 3 4 2. If I do sort in the reverse order, okay, if I do make it 4 4 3 2 2, first of all I want to create 5, so I can simply add 1 here. Now I want to create 4, I can simply add 0 here. Now I want to create 3, I can simply add 0 here. Now I want to create 2, I can simply add 0 here. Now I want to create 1, which is not possible, so in that case simply no. So what I'm doing is simply sort the array in the reverse order, and let's say have a variable end, because like end as n, okay? Now what I'm going to do is, initially and is in this case 5. Now 5 minus 4 is 1, which is positive, and it is satisfying the condition till now. Now 4 minus 4 is also satisfying. 3 minus 3 is also satisfying. Similarly this one as well. But here I want to have 1, and the element in the array is 2. Now 1 minus 2 is less than 0, which is not satisfying the condition. In that case I'm going to return. So what I'm exactly doing, simply reverse and take a variable as end. Once the condition is satisfied, simply do end minus minus and move on here. So let's see the code for the problem here. So if you see the code, what exactly I'm doing is, uh, let's have it here. So first of all, take the input. uh, just Okay, so first of all, take the input. Now I am going to what, sort in the reverse order, and I am taking a variable as int and equal to n. Okay. If these conditions occur where and minus v of I comes out to be negative, less than 0, so means it is not a valid thing. Okay. So in that case, like I'm simply having a flag and do and minus minus. If I found flag equal to 1, so in that case it is not satisfying the condition, so I'm going to return no, else I'm going to like print yes. So this is what the problem is all about.